Hello.
Hi, welcome back to Clapping with Shrikant.
Hello, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing good.
Okay, great. So, the topic for the day is travel.
No, ma'am. Uh, I take yesterday my demo class, but I came late for 10 minutes. That's why I just will take 5 minutes conversation. That's why I'm not yeah comfortable. That's class. So in this
Be
conversation
slow,
class, I
be slow, be slow.
please. Okay.
Yeah.
I would like to ask some question first in this conversation, which I have doubt.
Okay, sure. Go ahead.
Okay, so I'm beginner in English. I want to get fluent in English. That's
Okay.
so. What is the perfect way to practice English, and
Sorry.
what is the better way?
Sorry, what?
What is the better way to practice English, learn English?
Okay, so I'll
What
tell.
is okay? That daily routine, better routine
Okay,
to
cool.
every day.
So, what do you speak in your home? Like, which language?
Sorry,
Which language do you speak at your home? Is there
ma'am.
some
My
network
native
problem?
language is Odia. Sorry, I can't hear you.
Yeah, I was asking you which language do you speak at home?
I speak at home Odia language, my mother tongue, Odia, native language.
Okay, cool.
Do you
So,
know? Do you know Odia?
no, I don't know. I,
ଆପଣ
can you tell
କେମିତି
me?
ଅଛନ୍ତି? ଆପଣ କେମିତି ଅଛନ୍ତି? That's mean how are you?
Okay, cool. So yeah, how do you know your mother tongue? Like when you were born, nobody taught you, right? This is how you have to speak or anything. You just heard them speaking, and then you started speaking yourself, right? So the same thing goes with English as well.
Okay, yes.
Yeah. So English is also like any other language, right? It's just a
Yes.
language. So a way of communication is what English is. So how you can do better at English is just by speaking. So yeah, by speaking, and of course, you'll have to put in your efforts, and also you'll have to practice a bit so that you can, improve day by day. So the daily routine is nothing but to get more and more sessions, and then there will be a document attached to each and every session. After the session, you can practice the exercises or the activities, and before the session, also you'll have few passages to read. Hello,
Okay.
you able to hear me?
Sorry.
Yeah, actually, is there some work going on at your home?
Can you repeat again it?
Is there some work going on at your home? Like there are background noises.
Yes.
Yeah, so maybe that's the reason. And there's some issue on your side, right? This network issue.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
I would like to say that's my daily routine for English improvement my English. First, uh, I watch India Today channel, which is English news channel in India,
That's
for
amazing.
my yeah uh, listening skill, to improve my listening skill, and I read article, English article.
Okay.
I note that vocab words which is difficult to me, and I note. Then after I revise that words. Then sometime when I get free, I like to watch a movie, English movie, Indian by made by Indian movie.
Okay. That's nice. What are your hobbies?
Always, I like to play cricket.
Hmm?
Cricket, yeah, I like to travel also. Traveling, I want to
Okay.
know about different culture and different city.
So what's the recent place you have been to?
A recent place, my city near to my city, that another city. I will
Where do you
explore that
stay?
city. Sorry.
Where do you stay?
Yeah, I live in Raigada. It is part of Odisha. It is a small city in Odisha, Raigada, called Raigada.
Okay, okay. Cool. So yeah, where did you go recently?
Bhavanipatna. It is near to Raigada, Bhavanipatna.
Okay, so tell me about Raigada.
Yes, exactly.
Tell me about Raigada. Like what's famous in Raigada?
Okay, Raigada is famous for Ma Majigori Mandir. It is a temple, and Raigada is especially famous for nature. It is a big mountain, and it is like jungle area. It is, and
It's a forest area.
yes, yes, forest area, and Pemopara is so famous. It is a tourist attractive place called Pemopara and Jula Beach, Ma Majgori Mandir, and like this. And culture, special culture, tribal culture, because I am also tribal person, Adivasi, tribal person.
Okay,
A multi-type tribal person live here in Raida district.
that's amazing. Sounds really good.
Amazing culture. Every
Yeah.
tribal, every tribal person comes different cultures, so it's amazing. It makes beautiful to Raida district and Raida city.
Okay. So if any person is visiting Raigad for the first time, what is one place which you would suggest them to visit?
Uh, I recommend to visit. I recommend to visit Ma Majigori temple, and then after I recommend to visit a viewpoint which is situated in Raida. If you go there, then you will clearly see all the Raida view to that
Okay.
particular
So whole what is that?
Raigada.
Raigada. Yeah, right.
Yeah.
So the whole Raigada is visible from that viewpoint, is what you're telling me.
Yes, yes, exactly. Okay.
Yeah, that's amazing. Okay, so what's your favorite place?
My favorite place. My favorite is nothing like that because I'm not the person who are like to visit historical parts and storage place. I just want to explore. I just want to know about different city and how the people their weight and their lifestyle, the city financial condition, how much growth the city. Just I want to explore about city and different place. So I want any social place.
Okay, so you just like to visit. So there's no in particular any favorite place.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, so this is
I
how
just want to
it's a
know. Sorry.
okay, nice, cool. Okay, so there are few errors which you did out of the conversation which we had till now. So would you want me to correct you now or shall I correct you at the end of the session?
End of the session.
Okay, done.
Okay.
Yeah, so since we are talking about travel, how do you like to travel? Like by road or by air or by rail?
Uh, I would like to travel by air, but I can't afford now now time. But I travel by bus. Only one option to travel by bus because I have not bike, I have not car. I can't afford to travel by airplane. That's why only one option bus. So I travel all time bus by bus.
By what?
Bus.
By bus. Okay. That's again by road, right?
Sorry. Yes.
Yes. So that's again by road. Okay, cool. That's amazing. So whom do you travel with most often?
Sorry.
Whom do you travel with most often? Like with your
Hmm.
family or friends
No.
or alone?
Lonely travel. Always I travel alone. No one with me.
Okay, solo riding.
Yes, solo riding.
That's cool. Okay. So why do you travel? Like what do you like in traveling?
What I like in travel, I like to meet different people and I want to know about them. Yeah. When I traveling,
So what did
I
you know till now about different people? Tell me about one place where you have gone and what did you know about them?
that one place. recently I visit Malkangiri. Malkangiri, it is a part of Odisha. It is one district in Odisha. I I go there and I see there is the tribal person like me. It is called Bonda. Yeah, Bonda tribal. Their lifestyle emerging because they have not much money. They have not much of that in now time, but they are very happy and what they have, they are very happy. So it's emerging because they even they also not cloth to wear, but they are happy. They eat only rice, water rice, pokad. It's called in Odia pokad, water rice and few salt with onion. But they are happy. It's amazing to me.
Oh, oh my God.
Yes.
That's unbelievable.
Sorry.
That's unbelievable.
Yes, that's only. Yeah, exactly.
You can try to pronounce that. Unbelievable.
Unbelievable.
Yes, perfect.
Yeah.
Okay, so that was nice. So how was your experience going to that place?
Sorry.
How was your experience going to that place?
Yeah, it's amazing express. I can't believe that it's a pretty. Yeah, I see there many sad things that very difficult because they are survive very poor life. But what I see there, they are still happy. That's amazing me. It's good experience for me.
Okay. So there are many sad things which are going on in their lives, many hurdles, many difficulties, but still they are happy. Is
Yes,
what
exactly.
made your experience too good.
Yes.
Okay, that was nice. Okay, cool. So there, shall I get to this point of correcting your errors?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So firstly, you told that the purpose for you joining this platform is that I want to get fluency in
Yes.
English. Okay, so a better way of saying this sentence is I want to become fluent in speaking English.
Okay.
Okay, please repeat that.
I want to become fluent in English.
Yeah, fluent.
Fluent. Okay, fluent.
Yeah, yeah, perfect. And then you told, yeah, there were some pronunciation errors like temple. It's temple.
Temple.
Yes,
Am I
perfect.
correct?
Yeah, correct.
Okay.
And then tourist. It's tourist.
Tourist.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then, yeah, you told this lonely travel, right? It's not lonely travel. Lonely travel is different from traveling alone. See, alone means only one person, single, you're traveling. Lonely means you don't have anyone to travel at all. That's why you're traveling alone. So that
Okay.
is different, right? You have your family, you have your friends, but still you're traveling. You only are traveling. That means you're traveling alone. It's not lonely.
It's called solo travel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. So lonely is different. You're
Okay.
cheerful, right? You're happy with traveling. So you have to say, I travel solo or I travel alone. It's not lonely. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
That was it.
Okay.
And then yeah, money. It's money.
Money.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. And now time. You told something this now time. Yeah, air travel is not possible like now time. It's not now time for now. Or at present you can say this. At present I cannot travel by air, so I mostly travel by bus.
Okay. Sure.
Okay, yeah, so that was it. And basically you don't have any problem in understanding English, you also speak good. There are few errors related to pronunciation and vocabulary. Okay.
Okay, okay, ma'am. I know the grammatical rule in English. I have pretty much vocab word, but while comes speak time, that I'm confused. My friends talk. Oh, what I'm going to say? That
Yes,
I'm
yes, yes.
confused.
It's not speak time while speaking. While
Ah, yes.
speaking, yeah.
He was speaking time. I'm confused.
Okay, cool. No problem. With more and more sessions, you'll get to, you'll get more fluent in this and you'll get more ideas how to speak with different people. So, yeah, I'll have to stop now because we are at the end of the session. So, see you again at Clappingo. And until then, keep speaking English and keep learning. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, nice.
Okay, you can leave the meeting. Thank you so much.
Thank you.